Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to hire a plumber or electrician through TaskRabbit. So first, open the TaskRabbit app or website and enter your location. Search for plumbing or electrical service you need. Then review the available taskers and check their profiles, ratings, reviews, prices, and availability. Now make sure the tasker officer offers the specific type of work you need. Then select a suitable tasker and choose an available appointment time. Then add a detailed description of the problem so the tasker knows what you're requesting. And before booking, review the estimated price and service details. You need to keep in mind that certain electrical or plumbing jobs may require a properly licensed professional depending on your location and the type of work involved. Once everything looks good, confirm the booking through TaskRabbit. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.